Drizzling, 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 drizzling. Drizzling, drizzling, drizzling. The pre-monsoon March 24th, 2023. Watch out each and everything that's earthy, that's nature. Enjoy the nature, ladies and gentlemen, in the tranquility of that's beautiful. Jai Ho. Just see, get closer and let's watch this beautiful, this beautiful drizzling, मजा आ गया, मजा आ गया. Oh, beautiful. You see the drizzling of and at the same time, ladies and gentlemen, mom the best, watching the beautiful Jai Ho. It's getting late now. Thank you. God bless. Jai Ho. Good night.